Okay then, folks, if you remember the last video, awful squelch on this. If you the last video we were doing this Team TRX404 UK, and I was saying on the repair video that you can get the UK, it's still the same model number, but you can end up with either CB2781 or it's saying PR27GB for the CEPT set of channels. So make sure that if you want UK channels, it's still the UK model, but it says 2781 and not the UK model that says PR27GB. So it should work reasonably well. I don't like them, but there you are. I'm not here to like things or not. Tango 21 Mr. Chippie chest. Well, that's not going to get anywhere. We need to go to Mega Chippie channel. Tango 21 Mr. Chippie test.
Tango 21 working.
Excellent. I'll put my extension speaker in.
Yeah, roger that.
There we go. We're in.
Right, off we go then.
Roger Dodger. So it's Sunday. We've still got Mark with us, G7NDJ. He will be riding shotgun with Mr. Chippie, and we'll be holding the secondary camera when we get to the 5 mile point.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that.
Have you got a tone control?
No, negative, I haven't.
Roger on.
I just switched to Roger Bleep on. I thought he might react to that.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Lovely rusty case on this.
Passing Ancaster service station, 42.9, 153.9.
Carbon bad is still open.
Yeah, it's only 10 to 6.
Roger.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on the team TRX404 UK, obviously the 2781 version. It's doing 3.2 watts output, and I am talking to you on a standard replacement mic. Over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Roger, Dodger. Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. You'll have to tell me how the water is at Wilsford Warren.
Well, Bart's got his phone thing out, so I think it's just about to record some of it.
Let's incorporate that within the video.
Roger.
Oh. What have you done?
Camera's on the wrong. Missing it.
Yeah, I know. Damn. For goodness sake. Too late.
Never mind. Get it on the way back.
I caught the button that reverses the camera.
Yep.
I couldn't have done that if I tried. I really couldn't.
Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. That's awkward, isn't it? 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point. We're not quite in the same position because there's a car parked up in the way.
Okay, Roger on that. So I'm on a team TRX404 UK from around about 1987, and these are crystal fills of the standard, and this one is doing 3.2 watts output, and it's drawing 1.04 amps to do that. So when we set the deviation, normally I like them to peak at 2.5 kilohertz with an average of 2.2. But in this radio's case, the average was around about 2, with the peak being at 2.2. The sets don't have low power, so that's all you get, over.
Yep, roger that. Well, it was all received very well. A little bit of SSB interference in the background, but all good.
Yeah, well, that's something to do with this, so off we go.
Roger.
Why park across it like that?
Yeah. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, got you on the move again.
back on the main road, so it'll be very shortly. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rollsby level crossing. Over.
We've got you loud and clear going over. Price at that end, please, over.
Yep, 144.3 and 153. No, 140. What was it? 144.9.
And
I get it right. And 153.9.
Yeah.
I was on that one of the days when it was 0.7 when the sign was broken. Anyway, that worked incredibly well because I did have misgivings about this type of radio.
Yep, roger, all good. 10-10.
Okay, thank you.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rollsby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going over raw speed level crossing. So, have you got a petrol price at that end, please, over?
Yep, 144.3 and 153. No, 140. What was it? 144.9. I get it right. And 153.9.
Roger on that. Gone are the days when it was 0.7 when the sign was broken. Anyway, that worked incredibly well because I did have misgivings about this type of radio.
Yeah, roger, all good. 10-10.
10-10, thank you. Okay, so that did work. Camcorder battery ran out, so if you think there's a gap in the picture, there is, because the camcorder battery ran out. So I quickly had to plug it into the mains. So, yeah, I'm not bothered about the 3.2 watts output. That's on a par with a lot of new sets. And remember, I'm on a commercial test set. That'll be more than 4 watts on a hobby meter, so that's fine. Deviation, as I said, I like it to be able to peak at 2.5 with an average of 2.2. This is peaking at 2.2 with an average of 2, so it's a bit quieter, but it's not as quiet as new radios. And then the squelch has poor hysteresis. So if we go back to 19, it's that kind of, you know, you either got to have it off or too high. It's not how you kind of like it. These are crystal filtered as standard. That may not be an advantage because anybody who's slightly off frequency or over deviating will come through dreadfully. But there you are. These a bit of an also-ran radio and difficult to tune. If you saw the tuning, you know, you've got to use you've got 3 frequency adjustments. You've got to do the 10.24 master oscillator, you've got to do the transmitter separately, you've got to do the receiver separately, using not only a signal generator but a secondary signal generator as a marker oscillator on 10.695 megs. So complicated to set up, but having said that, that worked great. We go over to our base station, see what it sounds like on my standard replacement mic.
Tango 21, testing the Team TRX404 UK into our Midland 76900 base station using a standard replacement mic. So we're on full power, which on this radio is 3.2 watts, doesn't have low power, so there you go, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.